You guys have said you would never be able to make Cartoon Cat, I feel like. Well, guys, look at this costume. Look at this costume. I did it. I made the Cartoon Cat. You guys said I don't get the Cartoon Cat, but I don't have any Robux. Well, I do. You're wrong, actually. Because I actually have 2 Robux at the moment, but I spent like all of it to make this Cartoon Cat costume. But yeah. What do you mean? God. God! Haha! Guys! I survived it. Yeah. Oh, no, no, no! Infinity Gauntlet. I got the Infinity Gauntlet. God! Ow! Dude, literally, that's epic. But I'm flying. Have you ever seen Cartoon Cat fly, guys? By the way, if you guys notice, I do have a different animation pack. Yes, seriously. By the way, reason why I can't also I'm not finding creepy games is I couldn't find one, obviously. I need some more creepy games. That's why I'm not doing creepy game today. I wanted an R15 game. That's the reason why I couldn't find one. I decided to just do it for one day. Why am I always falling down now? Whatever, we are on vacation. I drowned. Why would I drown? Oh, by the way, I want to get my 100 coins today. Hooray, I got nothing. Join group for double coins. Okay. Sure, I will join the group. Flamingari. Got bacon here! But I also... What? I'm still winning. Guys! I'm literally still alive. Haha! Ha! Even my taco is holographic. I gotta reset my character. My character does not look. I was the winner that round. I had to be the winner that round because I was still alive. How do I get that coin? Be nice to Cartoon Cat. Oh, he will kill you. God! Say yes, you can kill me. Say because then he will be mad and teleport everywhere. Yes, when Cartoon Cat is mad, he teleports. Cartoon Cat has to be mad to teleport, so. But that doesn't look like it's ouchy. I'm just saying on haha, you guys can't. It's the other side. Yeah, that's impossible. Other people will get stuck through that. I think I could. No, no. Yeah! Who you calling a noob now? Nope, no one. I'm not the noob anymore. You're a noob. Oh, no, you're a noob. Okay. By the way, I also have more animation packs. Those are going to be featured in other videos. I'm just having fun with the Cartoon Cat office costume at the moment. The Cartoon Cat costume is just one of the costume I'm equipped with. I got 200. I can buy some. Shit, jetpack. Go, go, go. I don't want to die. I already bought that. Okay. That's annoying watermelon. How do I buy the annoying watermelon? Cartoon Cat. Cartoon Cat eats humans. Why am I doing this to me? Oh, I had to dodge all of that. Ah! Ooh. I survived it. I would have died in real life. Good! Ha! Who are you calling stupid now? I literally survived that. Well, I am coming to them. Okay, going here now. Then I'm going here. I'm just going here, okay. Ha! Who you calling smart? Unsmart now? Oh, which one? No! 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 I didn't want to get that, haha. Ooh! I right now too, so I can buy nearly one stuff. Knowledge.
Knowledge. Knowledge. Knowledge.
Does my cat also get knowledge? No, Cardi Cat doesn't want knowledge. What the? No, 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 no! Oh, that was not fair. That was not fair at all. Because it made me stuck down there. It made me stuck. That's not fair. Died. Give me another chance, please, in the next one. Don't just kill me. And I'm again trapped. What is so bad about this? I won. Uh-oh. Oh, I got trapped. Can you not get stuck anymore? I'm gonna record this video. I got stuck in weird places. Because I'm getting stuck in weird places. Okay, maybe I'm Cartoon Cat. I'm going to fire my laser. Oh. Congratulations, you got your daily reward. Congratulations, you didn't get your daily reward. Oh, did you? Why do I have to go to the top? To save someone? But then I would know. Hey! I gotta kill you. I'm a Cartoon Cat after all. If that was you guys, sorry. You guys are gonna get killed by Cartoon Cat in the morning. Also, if you like and subscribe, the strongest Trevor Henderson will come to you, which is Cartoon Cat, will come to your house and he will kill you. There's no way to escape him actually. There's no way to escape him. He can be so huge that you can't even escape. He can be bigger than Siren Head. He can be bigger than say 17. Strong, the biggest Trevor Henderson. Knowledge.
Knowledge.
I want to be. Can I have knowledge?
Knowledge.
Can I get knowledge? I'm not gonna ever get knowledge ever again. Girl, you're flying. Right, go. Don't get stuck. Careful, chill. Okay, this way, please. I'm a winner.
Pizza.
Yeah. Why am I eating pizza? I hate pizza eating. Okay, I do like pizza in real life. God, that's far. That's far. What if I press shift? What if I press shift? Oh, we don't spread it all. A giant volcano. Oh! Oh! That was what I was expecting, not. God! By the way, guys, I have new animation packs. You guys, I gotta check them. If you guys see my portfolio, and I might have been equipped them. Right now, I'm right now equipped with my Cartoon Cat costume. You guys, if you guys want to see my Cartoon Cat costume, you have to make your body size 100. So your body type 100. So you start with the cartoony swim, the cartoony jump, the cartoony walk. Man right leg, cartoony fall, cartoony ideal. Man left leg, cartoony run. So you get this big. It's technically it's 5 Robux. If you guys didn't notice. But it was pretty expensive making this. And you get kitty ears 25. It is 25, and you get the cartoon climb. You get the Roblox boy arm good. And I think you finished a cartoon cat after that. You just need to get the cartoon animation pack. So, some of you guys, I think some of you guys have it, so you guys can have it. So, if you guys have it, you use it on the cartoon cat. I also get winning smile. Get winning smile. It's for free, by the way, and my character looks like this. And for the cartoon IDU, this item is part of a bundle. It's very expensive, by the way. Oh, okay. I'm hurrying to the top, and I didn't notice that. Guys, but we gotta end the video. It's been 10 minutes. I'm sorry I've been making short videos. I'm gonna be playing the game back in November. And I'll see you next time. Okay.